Hello, good day, I am Болат Гаухар and today I would like to talk about difference between Kazakhstan and the Great Britain. Let's start. The first thing is currency. In Kazakhstan we use tenge. The currency is tenge. And in Great Britain they use the currency is the system of the government. The system of the government in Great Britain is monarchy. The current monarch is the Queen Elizabeth II. In our country, in Kazakhstan, we can select our president. Our president is Kassym-Jomart Kemaliұлы Tokayev. Also, I have found a similar thing. The similar thing is tea. Yes, tea. Because the British people love drinking tea. And we are also. The next is education system. There are 5 stages in Great Britain as elementary, secondary, higher, further, and the postgraduate. This is the end of my video. See you soon. Goodbye.